Our second radio is going to be our boss. This is our 10-inch screen, comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Runs for about $299. And again, it's a floating display. Comes with a 10-band equalizer. Screen is very crisp. Let's unbox our boss. First thing you see is your harness, your external mic, your paperwork and warranty card. Then you see your screws and your side brackets and side holsters if you need them. That's the 10-inch screen, and that's how it looks. And that right here is your chassis, so your screen actually goes in here. This is the boss radio. So at the bottom you'll see all the capacitive buttons right here. These are not physical, these are touch capacitive. The physical volume knob feels sturdy and solid. The boss has Bluetooth for hands-free calling and backup camera support. Equalizer is a 10-band, and the stereo is steering wheel controlled ready. Wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Let's see how the CarPlay works. iPhone is connected over here. On the side, you can see the radio can swivel. The screen does come off, but it's very hard to do. In the back, you can see the harness, 3 sets of RCAs, your antenna, USB. One is for charging the phone, and the other one is to CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a singled in from the back and a doubled in from the front. Like and subscribe this video. Comment below as well if you want to know anything about your vehicle and how it would fit better. Type in make, model, and year, and I'll try to get back to you ASAP. Both these radios are available on escaraudio.net. Go over there to purchase them today, or come by in the store eScar Audio in Channelview. Check us out on Instagram at eScar Audio, Facebook at eScar Audio, and TikTok at eScar Audio. Any purchase over $100 on escaraudio.net or in store would get this radio for free. Shipping is also free completely. This is a 4.3-inch screen. Does not have Bluetooth. Has a DVD player. It's an older model. It's a singled-in radio. It's free. You make a $100 purchase. Shipping is also free. Radio is also free. So we'll ship it out to you for absolutely free. So come to escaraudio.net today and purchase these radios. Thank you.